Welcome to Neuro Profit AI. Today, we are diving deep into what will define the next wave of entrepreneurs, making real, tangible money with artificial intelligence in 2026. The landscape has shifted dramatically. What once required teams of data scientists and massive budgets is now accessible to anyone with a laptop and a clever idea. The tools are cheaper, faster, and smarter than ever before. This is not a far-off dream. It is happening right now. Today, November 13th, 2025. The window of opportunity is wide open, but it will not stay that way forever. Those who act now will build the empires of tomorrow. The core principle behind these income streams is simple: leverage. AI gives you leverage to produce more, analyze faster, and sell smarter than your competition. You can operate like a 10-person agency while working solo from your home office. Small businesses want AI without becoming experts. That is the gap you can fill. You do not need a PhD, you just need to connect a specific AI tool to a specific business problem. This guide is a clear, actionable blueprint. Pick one path and take your first step within 24 hours. One of the most immediate ways to monetize AI is selling niche content packages. Businesses are starving for high-quality content, blog posts, social updates, email newsletters, and more, but many lack time to produce consistently. You can step in as the solution. Generate targeted content fast with AI, then bundle it into ready-to-use packages. Sell direct to clients or via marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. This model is about volume, speed, and specialization. Pick a profitable niche. Do not be broad. Get specific. Holistic dog care for urban pet owners, keto-friendly dessert recipes for beginners, or financial planning for gig workers. Use AI writers with image generators to create comprehensive bundles. Example: 10 blog articles, 30 social posts with images, and 4 newsletter drafts. Create clear listings with strong titles and samples. Highlight value. Save them hours each week. Use LinkedIn outreach for higher-paying longer-term clients. Start at $50 to $150 per bundle, raise to $300 plus with proof. 10 sales at 100 equals $1,000 a month. Scale with prompt templates and streamlined workflows. Freelancing is not new, but AI supercharges your services. You stop selling hours and start selling outcomes. At speed, let AI handle 80%, research, drafting, and analysis. You focus on strategy, client communication, and final polish. Specialize. Do not sell generic AI services. Offer AI-powered SEO posts that rank, or AI-generated ad campaigns that convert. Build 3 to 5 case studies with before and after proof. Show readability gains, keyword density improvements, and the psychology behind your ad copy. Position as premium. Your headline should scream value. I help e-commerce brands double open rates with AI-driven copy. Pitch outcomes, not tools. Clients care about results. Say, I deliver a month of content in 48 hours. Produce in a quarter of the time. Raise your effective hourly rate. Retainers of $1,000 to $5,000 per month per client are common. If you save 20 hours or lift sales 10%, that is worth thousands. You are no longer a writer or designer. You are an AI efficiency consultant. Take on more clients, deliver faster, and scale with systems. Polish matters. Your finish is your brand. Services pay today. Micro-products pay forever. Solve one specific problem with hyper-efficiency. Start with a well-engineered prompt pack or template, or a simple no-code bot, no coding required. Build once, sell infinitely, revenue while you sleep. Find repetitive pain points in niche communities. Example: a show notes generator from a transcript packaged as prompts. Sell on marketplaces in your storefront. Include a short how-to video. Price smart. Aim to sell hundreds or thousands over time. Use a free light version to build an audience. Well-made micro-products can reach $500 to $2,000 per month. Content is king. Consistency is the kingdom. Let AI handle scripting, voiceover, and editing. Generate detailed scripts with a clear, dramatic male voice and strong CTA. Record yourself, or use a hyper-realistic AI voice for consistency. Use AI video editors to add stock footage, captions, and transitions automatically. Publish 2 to 3 videos weekly to hit monetization faster. Ads begin small, but sponsorships and affiliate links scale income. Like this channel, Neuro Profit AI. One mission: make you money with AI. A focused niche attracts a loyal, engaged audience. A successful niche channel can cross 10,000 a month. Build a content factory with AI as your lead foreman. E-commerce is fierce. In 2026, AI is your edge. Automate product research, listing optimization, and advertising. Spot trends early with specialized platforms. Choose a category, then source via print on demand or dropshipping. Upgrade visuals with AI lifestyle imagery and enhancement. Write AI to copy and insert high-intent keywords. Publish across Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy. Run multivariate ads. Auto-allocate budget to the top performers. Add an AI chatbot to cut friction and lift conversion. Target 20 to 50 profit per sale. Scale to thousands per month. Teach AI skills with short courses and live workshops. Sell the shovels. Make it specific. Price by format and value. Corporate sessions earn thousands. Use AI to create your materials, proof of concept and speed. Package repeatable AI workflows and license them as white label solutions. Examples: support replies, lead qualification, weekly social reports. Charge $300 to $3,000 per month depending on ROI. 7 days to profit. Day 1, choose your single method. Days 2 and 3, build your minimum viable offer and storefront. Days 4 to 6, 20 targeted contacts per day. Short, benefit, first, messages. Day 7, deliver exceptional value. Ask for feedback and a testimonial. Then repeat, raise prices, and scale. Remember us at Neuro Profit AI when you hit your first million.